I have the hiccups. See, there was one. I'm going to show you how to get rid of them really fast. All you need how do I flip the camera around? Why they do that? Alright, you need paper towel, glass of water. I fold the paper towel in half. Cover the cup of water and drink through it for about 10 seconds. Hiccup free. I'll prove it to you so we won't have any more hiccups for the next 10 seconds. They're gone. And it took less than 1 minute. You can thank me later.